The cryptocurrency market is staging a sharp recovery today after a major weekend sell-off that erased billions in valuations. A downturn that triggered by surprise geopolitical developments has given way to a broad-based rebound led by the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several major altcoins. And key drivers behind the recovery were the easing of US-China trade tensions. The weekend crash followed the US President Donald Trump's unexpected announcement of the new tariffs on China. However, a subsequent softening of its stance helped calm markets and reignite investor confidence, driving a rebound in the risk assets, including the cryptocurrencies. So, what we have seen was a historic liquidation event wherein the tariff shock triggered a panic-driven sell-off that resulted in one of the largest liquidation cascades in the crypto history, wherein over $19 billion worth of the leveraged positions were wiped off, according to the CoinGlass last week. And the top cryptocurrency performance for today were the Bitcoin. After briefly plunging below $105,000 mark over the weekend, Bitcoin has rebounded to around $115,000 levels, which was and is trading in the range of $111,000 to $115,000, while still below its recent high of $126,198. So that is on the back of sustained bullish sentiment. A Bitget Q3 2025 survey showed that 66% respondents intended to increase their crypto allocations in the coming months. Many investors expect Bitcoin to reach to the level of $150,000 and $2 lakh level in the next major bull phase. Moving on, talking about Ethereum, which has outperformed major assets, rallying over 8% in the last 24 hours to trade above $4,100. The move was supported by the easing trade tensions and the renewed optimism around increasing participation around the ETF, the Ethereum's ETF, and the treasury holdings by the companies. Meanwhile, major altcoins including the Binance BNB, XRP, Solana, Link, and Dogecoin were up 16%, 10%, and 12 to 15% respectively. And total crypto market cap was seen at $3.91 trillion, up by 4% over the day. Notable altcoin movers such as the Synthetics SNX surged nearly 90%, making its top performer of the day. Mental's MNT jumped by around 40%, reflecting renewed strength in the Layer 2 ecosystem tokens. And wherein the TIA gained 15%, joining the list of the altcoins showing strong recovery momentum. Renders and Injectives INJ both posted double-digit gains between 10 to 35%, highlighting broad altcoin participation in rebound in today's trade. So going forward, as the US government shutdown stretches into the third week, delayed ETF inflows are temporarily capping upside movements. Analysts expect volatility to remain elevated in the near term, but sentiment points towards a potential breakout macroeconomic clarity, wherein once the macroeconomic clarity and the liquidity returns to the market. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. Keep watching 3.TV. Thank you.